Magandang araw! Welcome to another episode of Know Your Gear. Today, we are exploring in another unit. Tara, let's check it out. So again guys, I'm with Engineer Bon again. And ang dami na naming interactions with Sir Bon and ang dami nating natutunan. So for sure, kayo din. So hi sir!
Hello!
One word si sir, hello.
Hello!
Nonchalant yarn. So kidding aside, so sir, pwede mo bang i-share sa amin kung anong unit ito?
Ito ang Sunny SY310 C8S na Sunny Mixer.
So sir, ano naman ang mga specs nito?
So, ang SY310 mixer namin ay may second generation na Deutz engine. Kaya nitong magbigay ng 265 kilowatt na power at saka meron din itong 10 tons na mixing capacity. Ang Sunny SY310 ay may 12-speed transmission at saka yung fuel capacity nito ay 300 liters. So malayo-layo yung biyaheng kaya niyang i-travel. At saka meron siyang 400 liters na water tank capacity which pwedeng i-upgrade into 600 liters.
Wow, 10 tons of mixing capacity. So sir, bakit ba ito kailangan sa mga projects?
Kailangan ito for big projects sa construction dahil most of the time hindi na pwedeng i-mano-mano yung pagmimix ng semento. Kaya kailangan ng heavy machinery para mapadali ang trabaho.
There you have it guys, the SY310C, high reliability, powerful truck, and excellent economy. So sir, ano nang masabi mo sa ating mga viewers?
If you want high-performance heavy machinery and road equipment, please contact Premier Sunny Heavy Equipment or visit our website.
So narinig niyo yun guys! Contact Premier Heavy Equipment or your local dealer today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye! I want it all of this. So guys, I have a question. Para kanino ka magpapasemento?